Eggplant, a delicious and nutritious vegetable. Hello friends, today we're going to talk about a vegetable that's not only tasty but also very good for you. Eggplant, known as brinjal in India, is found all over the world, and each place has its own special way of cooking and enjoying it. The beauty of eggplant is that you can cook it in so many ways. Whether you roast it, fry it, boil it, or steam it, it always tastes amazing. This versatility makes it a star in every kitchen. Yes, I'm talking about eggplant. It's not just used in Indian cooking but in different cuisines all around the world. This vegetable is popular everywhere because of its unique taste and health benefits. Eggplant, also known as aubergine, is a vegetable that you can find all over the world. Whether you're in Asia, Europe, Africa, or America, eggplant has found its way into kitchens everywhere. Its different varieties and colors make it even more appealing. It's mostly purple, but you can also find it in green, white, and yellow. Each color of eggplant is special in its own way, and their flavors differ slightly as well. Raw eggplant can be a bit bitter, but when we cook it, it becomes soft and delicious. There are many ways to cook eggplant, and each method brings out a different and unique flavor. You can make so many dishes with eggplant. Whether you make baingan ka bharta, mashed eggplant, eggplant curry, or burta, roasted eggplant mash, each dish has its own special taste. You can roast it, fry it, boil it, or even steam it. No matter how you cook it, eggplant's flavor and nutrition remain intact. Steaming is another great way to cook eggplant. It helps retain all the nutrients and gives it a wonderful flavor. Eggplant is full of vitamins and minerals that are really good for our bodies. It has important nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, thiamine, niacin, magnesium, phosphorus, and copper. So today let's learn more about eggplant. By understanding its different types, its nutritional benefits, and the various ways to cook it, you too can include this wonder vegetable in your diet. This journey of eggplant will reveal even more about its unique taste and health benefits. Even growing eggplant is fascinating. It needs a special kind of soil and climate to thrive. Eggplant plants need plenty of sunshine and water. When the plant bears fruit, it's a beautiful sight. Different cultures use eggplant in their own unique ways. In Indian cuisine, baingan ka bharta and eggplant curry are very popular. In Italian cuisine, eggplant parmesan and grilled eggplant are favorites. Japanese cuisine boasts eggplant tempura and miso eggplant. This diversity makes eggplant popular all over the world. No matter which country you're in, you're sure to find a delicious eggplant dish. Its unique taste and nutritional value make it a valuable part of any kitchen. So friends, today we learned about eggplant. It's a vegetable that's not only delicious but also very beneficial for our health. Include it in your diet and enjoy its unique taste and health benefits. Thank you. The history of eggplant, from India to the world. This is the story of a simple vegetable that has connected many cultures over centuries. Eggplant has been eaten since ancient times. In the past, this vegetable was not only a source of food but also a symbol of cultural exchange between civilizations. It is believed that eggplant was first cultivated in India. Indian farmers grew it in their fields, and it was an important part of their daily diet. People in India have been growing eggplant for over 4,000 years. This vegetable became an integral part of Indian agriculture, and the tradition of growing it has been passed down through generations. Eggplant is even mentioned in ancient Indian texts. These texts describe different varieties of eggplant and how they were used. Gradually, eggplant spread from India to China and then to the rest of the world. Through trade routes, this vegetable reached different parts of Asia, Europe, and Africa. Today, people all over the world grow and enjoy eating eggplant. Countless dishes are made with eggplant in different cultures, reflecting the popularity and versatility of this vegetable. Whether it's Indian bharta, Italian parmigiana, or Japanese miso-nasu, eggplant has made its mark everywhere. This journey of eggplant teaches us how even a simple vegetable can connect the world. It is not only a part of our food but also a symbol of our cultural heritage. The story of eggplant reminds us that we are all connected through food. So the next time you savor the taste of eggplant, remember that this humble vegetable is part of a long and rich journey that began in India and spread throughout the world. This journey continues today, and the popularity of eggplant is growing day by day. Growing eggplant. Plenty of sunshine, plenty of water. Eggplant grows well in places that are both warm and humid. It should be grown in a spot that gets plenty of sunlight. It's very important to water eggplant plants daily, especially when they are young. Eggplant plants also need rich, fertile soil to grow well. Types of eggplant: colorful and diverse. Eggplant is a vegetable known for its variety of colors and shapes. It's unique not only in taste, but also in appearance. Eggplant is found in many colors and shapes. This vegetable is a work of art in itself, attracting everyone's attention. The most common eggplant is purple, easily recognized by its deep, vibrant color. Purple eggplant has a wonderful flavor, but you can also find it in green, white, yellow, and even orange. Each color is special and used in different dishes. Eggplants also come in different shapes. Some are round, some are long and thin, and some are short and stout. Each shape is unique in its own way. Some eggplants are long and thin, often used for grilling and frying. They have a great taste and look very appetizing. Then there are round and small ones, considered best for making stuffed eggplant. Their shape and taste are both very special. India is home to many varieties of eggplant, each unique to its state and region. Each region's eggplant is special, and people use it in their own traditional ways. For example, round eggplant and long eggplant are known for their distinct taste and uses. Each type is special and used in different dishes. Green eggplant, small eggplant, and so on. Each type is unique and used in different dishes. The diversity of eggplant is what makes it special and a favorite of many. Section 5. Nutritional value of eggplant. Low in calories, high in benefits. Eggplant is very low in calories, which makes it very beneficial for those who want to lose weight. Moreover, eggplant is high in fiber, which helps our body digest food properly. Section 6. A treasure of vitamins and minerals. Eggplant. Eggplant is packed with vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, and manganese. All these nutrients are essential for our body and protect us from many diseases. Section 7. Benefits of eggplant. Healthy and delicious. There are many benefits to eating eggplant. It strengthens our heart, controls sugar levels, and even protects us from dangerous diseases like cancer. Not only that, eggplant is also very good for our skin and hair. Section 8. Eggplant in Indian cuisine. Spice it up with eggplant. Eggplant holds a special place in Indian cuisine. Many delicious dishes are made with eggplant. Baingan ka bharta, mashed eggplant. Eggplant curry, eggplant pickle, eggplant raita, yogurt dip, eggplant fritters. These are just a few dishes that everyone loves. In South India, people even add eggplant to sambar, lentil and vegetable stew, and rasam, tangy tomato soup. Section 9. Eggplant, a blend of health and flavor. So friends, you've seen how beneficial eggplant is. It's not only delicious, but also very nutritious. So start including eggplant in your diet today and enjoy a healthy life.